Unlock the power of seamless global finance by linking your PayPal and Xoom accounts today. First, let's ensure your PayPal account is ready. Log into your existing PayPal account on your computer or mobile device. This is your gateway to managing your funds and initiating payments globally. Within your PayPal settings, navigate to the section that manages linked accounts or app integrations. You'll be looking for an option to connect or add a new service. Here, you'll find the option to connect your Xoom account. Click on it, and you'll be guided to the Xoom login screen or prompted to create a new Xoom account if you don't already have one. If you have a Xoom account, simply enter your login credentials. Just as you would when accessing Xoom directly, this securely verifies your identity. You'll then see a screen asking for permission to link your PayPal and Xoom accounts. Review these permissions carefully, and then authorize the connection. This step is crucial for enabling the smooth transfer of information between the two platforms. Once linked, you'll see confirmation within both your PayPal and Xoom accounts now. Your PayPal balance or linked bank accounts can be directly accessed through Xoom for international money transfers. To send money, open your Xoom app or website. You can now select PayPal as your preferred funding method. This means your funds are instantly available without needing to transfer them manually between accounts. Choose your recipient, enter the amount you wish to send, and select PayPal as your payment method. Xoom's user-friendly interface will guide you through the rest, ensuring a secure and efficient transaction. By integrating PayPal with Xoom, you've created a consolidated approach to global finance, making international money transfers faster, more secure, and incredibly convenient. Start sending money with confidence today.